So welcome back to the workshop. Today we're going to introduce a new material that we haven't used before on one of our YouTube videos, carbon fiber. So carbon fiber is a relatively new material that's used in applications such as spaceships, supercars, and in our case, jewelry. As the name implies, carbon fiber is made of tiny little strands of carbon that have been stretched and pulled, and then those carbon fiber strands are intertwined to make large sheets. Then using an epoxy binder, those sheets are glued one to the other and compressed, and this creates a very hard, durable, and lightweight material. So to illustrate, I have my helper and wife, Annie, here. And we are going to do a little demonstration to show you just how carbon fiber is made, but on a human.
That's me.
Come on.
And then?
Bye-bye, Annie.
And then what?
Bye-bye. So maybe not exactly like that, but you get the point. So today we're going to combine this carbon fiber with some gold and see what we can come up with. Come check it out. Since carbon fiber isn't a conventional material, I have to use unconventional tools such as these diamond-coated drill bits to cut it. I make sure to spray water on it every now and then to reduce heat that could potentially separate the layers of carbon fiber. Carbon fiber dust is really nasty stuff. Be sure to always use a respirator if you decide to work with it. With my ring blanks all ready, it's time to do some lathe work. I'm going to cut and sand the inside part of the ring to give it a comfort fit. Then I'm going to trim down the outside so the ring isn't too thick. Using a pair of digital calipers and some simple calculations, I am making increments along the side of the ring and then connecting the dots, you'll see I've created a simple triangle pattern. This pattern will serve as a guide for the next step of the ring making process. I set the support on my sander to an angle to sand away the triangular pattern that I marked out. Now time for some gold. I wanted to match the parallel lines of the triangles, so I'm going to cut my groove to inlay the gold at the angle you see here. For obvious reasons, I can't solder gold to carbon fiber, so I'm going to cut a special trapezoidal groove into the carbon fiber. This is known as a back cut and is used in lots of channel set ring styles. Then I'm going to file my gold square stock into that same trapezoidal shape and with a little bit of glue and effort, I'll force the gold into the groove where it will stay permanently. The sander left some pretty deep lines in the facets of the carbon fiber, so I'm going to use a high grit sanding wheel to do some final cleanups. And then I'll polish the inside and outside of the ring to give it its final shine. The black carbon fiber and the polished yellow gold really contrast well together. This has become one of my new favorite ring designs. It turned out spectacular. So there you have it, folks, your very own carbon fiber ring. We don't work with carbon fiber that often, but when we do, as you can see, the results are very awesome. As you can see here, the ring turned out really amazing. It can be a really finicky material, but all the patience, dedication, and hard work really pay off. I have a lot of other videos here on YouTube about ring making that you might be interested in, so make sure and check those out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure and like this video. We also want to hear your feedback, so make sure and put in the comments below some of your thoughts about this video, if you liked it, if you didn't like it. If you comment below your idea for a ring video, you might just be featured in our next upcoming video. We'd love to make a ring that one of you guys suggests and comes up with. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.